Hello and welcome to Mr. Tech Talks. In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to download and install CapCut on your Windows PC or laptop for free. If you want to edit a video using CapCut, this video shows you how to easily do it. For downloading and installing CapCut on Windows PC, you do not need an Android emulator anymore. You can easily and freely download CapCut from Microsoft Store. So let's get started. Tap on Windows Start button and then search for Store. You will see the Microsoft Store on the top. Just tap on it. Once Microsoft Store loads up, go to the top where it says apps, games, movies and more and search for CapCut. Once you hit search, first item will be CapCut. Go ahead and install it. Tap on install button. So once you tap on install, application will start downloading and you can see that it's a very small application, only 333 MBs. Once it says installed, tap on Windows Start button and then you should be able to see CapCut as a recently added application. Tap on it and then you will see that it will run a small test to see if your computer is able to run that application smoothly. Just tap on confirm and your CapCut software or application will open, and now you are ready to create and edit your videos. And that's how you download and install CapCut application totally free from Microsoft Store, and you don't need any emulator at all. And that's all in today's short video tutorial. If this video helped you, then please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to Mr. Tech Talks. See you next time. Bye for now.